Hey, hi guys, welcome to the Python tutorial for beginner series. This is gonna be the seventh video of this particular series. In this particular video, we will be covering comparison operators in Python. In previous videos, we have covered arithmetic operators as well as assignment operators. In this video, we will cover the comparison operators. So in Python, there are total 6 comparison operators which we will be covering today. First will be equal comparison operator. Let me make it as a comment. So first will be equal comparison operator. So we will denote this particular equal comparison operator with symbol equal to. So this particular operator we can use to compare two values. So let's type a print statement. Now here I will compare 4 is equal to 5. So if 4 is equal to 5, it will give us the result as a true. If 4 is equal to 5 is a false, then it will give false as a result. Let's print this particular statement. Here you can see here 4 is not equal to 5, so that's why it printed false. So it is doing the comparison, and if comparison is true, it is returning true. If comparison is false, it is returning false. So this was the first operator, equal to operator. Let's move to the second comparison operator, that is not equal to. Not equal to. It will be denoted by exclamation mark and equal to. So let's try. I will try to print if 4 is not equal to 6. Tell me if you try to print 4 is not equal to 6, what it will return? Obviously 4 is not equal to 6, so it should return true. So let's execute this program. Here you can see 4 not equal to 6, the result is true. So we are successfully getting the correct output. Let's move toward the third comparison operator in Python, that is greater than. Greater than operator we usually use to check whether a particular value is greater than the other value or not. First I will give value as a 6, then the greater than operator, and I will take 7. So it will check whether 6 is greater than 7 or not. If 6 is not greater than 7, then it will put the result as a false. Here you can see. So this was our greater than operator. Let's move towards the fourth comparison operator, that will be the less than, opposite of greater than. That will be denoted by this particular symbol. Let's check whether 6 is less than 7. So now the condition is true, so it should print 2. Let's execute. Here you can see it, now it is printing true. So our less than operator is working as expected. The fifth comparison operator will be greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So we will denote this particular operator like this, greater than and equal to symbol. Let's check whether 6 is greater than or equal to. Here 6 is not neither equal or not greater than 7, so it should print false. But if I give here 6, now the condition satisfied that 6 is greater than or equal to, but 6 is equal to 6, so this should print 6 as a true. So this was the greater than equal to operator, and the last will be opposite of this, less than or equal to. It will be denoted by less than symbol and equal to symbol. Let's check whether 6 is less than equal to 6. So this condition should be true because 6 is equal to 6. It will print true. If I give 8 is less than equal to 6, so this should print false. So it is giving the correct output. So that's it for this particular video. In this particular view, we have covered all 6 comparison operators in Python. If you are having any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I will try to reply your comment. And that's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.